Now let's move on to the following two tips, tip 3 and tip 4, which is paragraph number 3 and paragraph number 4. Before you listen to my explanation, I would like you to do these pre-reading activities. First, please skim paragraph 3 and 4 to identify the topic sentences. After you finish skimming, I would like you to do scanning and number the supporting sentences. By doing so, you will have a clear outline in your mind to help you understand these paragraphs and also prepare you for my explanation later. So pause the video now and come back when you are done. Okay, so I assume you finished these pre-reading activities. Let me read paragraph 3 to you. Hire professionals that care about the customer. If you want to create a customer-centric company, bear this in mind when hiring staff. Ask candidates about their experience in customer service, even if they are never going to see a customer. Take advantage of the interview to tell them about the company's values and look for people who are empathetic, friendly, and good communicators. If you want to provide the best customer service experience, you have to hire the best. Of course, the topic sentence is the first sentence, the conditional clause, to create a customer-centric company. So, customer-centric, it means to put customer in the center of something, or to consider customer the most important. This word formation is quite common. You can switch customer to other words. For example, anthropocentric. Anthropo means humans. So anthropocentric means consider humans the center of everything and consider humans the most important beings. Okay, so you can switch customer to other words for different occasions. So this paragraph tells us that to create a company that consider customers the most important, we need to hire professional people. And to find out professional people, you need to do number 1. Ask candidates about their experience. Candidates refers to people who are competing to get a position. You need to ask them about their experience in dealing with customers. Number 2, you need to take advantage of the interview to acquaint them with the company's values. Take advantage of this verb phrase can mean two things, which are totally opposite to one another. On the positive note, it can mean to use the good things in the situation. On the negative note, on the other hand, it can mean to treat someone badly to get something good from them. Here, of course, is the positive meaning. You need to make good use of the interview to make candidates more familiar with what the company believes in, so that you can filter down to a group of better candidates. Some people, if they find a clash between their personal values and the company's values, they might leave. And then the third one, you need to look for empathetic, friendly, and good communicators. So empathetic means have the ability to imagine how someone else feels. This is exactly the kind of person customers need when they have problems. They want someone who can stand in their shoes to listen to them and, more importantly, help them find out solutions. So this is tip number 3. Hire professionals that care about the customers. which means empathetic professionals. So this is tip number 3. Tip number 4, let me read it for you. Empower employees. John Shoho, regarded as the guru of customer service, never tires of repeating this. Employees should have the freedom and power to make quick decisions for the benefit of the customer. Very often, employees dealing with the public are obliged to check with their supervisors or seek their approval for product returns. In Tosho's opinions, this is one of the greatest bottlenecks of customer service. Employees must be empowered to make professional decisions at top speed, on the spot, and always for the benefit of the customer. Okay, so here the topic is, of course, this man, John Shoho. He is regarded as the guru of customer service. What is a guru? A guru is a person skilled in something who gives advice, okay? Like a guide or a mentor. So what does this person believes in? He believes that employees should have the freedom and power to make quick decisions. And he thinks that whenever there are problems, employees have to check with their supervisors is not ideal because it is actually the greatest bottleneck. So 2 things to teach you. Be obliged to means to be forced to do something or feel that you must do something. So whenever there are problems, employees always think they need to report this to their supervisors. But to Shoho, this is definitely not ideal. This is actually the greatest bottleneck. So what is a bottleneck? A bottleneck is a problem that delays progress. Okay? That delays progress. So in this paragraph, we learn the importance of empowering employees. If you take a look at these 2 images, you can learn a bit more about John Shoho. On the left-hand side, you can see the cover of his book, Relentless, Making Customer Service Your Core Principle. And on the image on the left-hand side, if you click on it, it will direct you to a talk by him. In this talk, he used Apple as an example to talk about customer service. So if you are interested, take a look at this video.